You're gonna make your body. Oh, hi guys. Coryse, Coco, Villarouel here from CT Views. I'm just getting into the music. You're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, I am down here at 230 El Grasso Boulevard, which is the building for daily moving and storage. But believe it or not, they've got a fitness center. And also in the other room, there is a Zumba class going on. And I was just so moved by the music, I had to move myself. She has a great facility here with rooms for rent. Okay, you can rent out the room for birthday parties, for wedding events, for anything that you can imagine. Like I said, Zumba's going on. Z Fitness Factory just started up a Zumba class over there. Let's go check it out. Jump in and see if I can do some of these movements. Let's go! I'm tapping out, guys. This is a lot. It's very high energy. I couldn't keep up. I just had a 1 hour intense class, Zumba class here at Z Fitness Factory. Let me just tell you, I need more lessons because my knees were hurting, I was down on the ground, I was out of breath. But it's high energy, it's fun, the music just takes you away. You're gonna love it. They have classes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday down here at 230 El Grasso Boulevard, right inside the Daily Moving and Storage building. You should come on down and check it out.